Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial series, and I'm sure you must have seen this trend taking off on TikTok and on Instagram. Well, I'm going to show you how you can edit or achieve this edit using both Inshot, CapCut, and also Canva. I particularly love the ones that come up with Canva and CapCut, but I'm going to show you two ways you can do it with Inshot in this video. So keep watching and let's go into my phone. So you want to come to photo and Inshot and click on new. I'm going to go to the Lightroom folder on my phone because that's where I like my edited pictures and that's what I want to use. So you want to select multiple photos. You can select more than 10. So you see me here selecting just randomly, and that's what you want to do. So once you're done, you want to resize it to Instagram story size, which is 916. To cut out and add an outline, so you want to, will not require you to erase like this ones, but we'll get to that one that you definitely have to erase some parts because the outline will be showing in that one. All right, yeah, so this is it. You have to use the eraser tool to erase some parts gently so you don't erase part of your image. Then you add your outline. I always use 4 or 3 as my outline. Then you want to adjust it. Okay, so because I selected a lot of pictures, I'm just going to speed this process up. So once you're done, you want to export. Now that you come back to a video, so you need a video background. So I'm going to use like this beach video background I always use in my videos, and that's what I want to make the full background. Then I come to peep. So for peep in InShot, you can't overlay more than 4 pictures. So I'm going to like go back to recent and select like 4 out of all the outlines I have done. So I'm going to select all of them first of all before I start any form of adjustment. So you see me here selecting these videos. You want to like take your time, and then I now start adjusting. So there's going to be, this is where you want to take your time and adjust, add your animations as you see me do here, if you want it to come from different sides, because that's what this trend is about. The edit is coming from different sides, different angles. So you see me here taking my time to add my animations and all. So I want it to end, or I don't want them to start in the same part, but I want it to end in the same flow. So you see the part where I actually dragged everything to almost like the same length, and then I will cut the entire video itself because I want it to end in the same place, even the long video itself. So you see me here still adding animations, and then now I'm dragging it, and then I'm going to like cut it in the particular point because I want everything to start in the same place. So after watching the video, I'm seeing like, okay, one is covering the other. Then you want to go back and adjust again until you are satisfied. All right, so I think I'm able to like get it to a point where I like this edit, and I'm going to play it once again. All right, this is perfect. So I am going to export as an MP4. So for the next one that you want to do, is going to involve images. So you have to go and look for that main image with the background. So I'm going to like select the images I want to use and check for it with the background on InShot, and you want to like bring it into. So I'm going to just use 4 and bring it in. Now there's a lot of editing that we are going to do. You want to make sure it's in the Instagram real size, and you want to zoom in completely. I'm going to do that for all the pictures here. I am zooming in completely. Make sure it's 916 Instagram Reel. If you don't know if it's 916, that's it. So once we're doing that, we're going to use peep again. So I'm going to use peep again to bring in the edits, the one that we did the outline before. So this is like the second one. So I'm going to like click on the edit for the next picture and place it on it. Now I'm going to scroll to the edit and make sure it fits the same size. So you see me trying to like make sure it's almost the same size, and then I'm going to like cut it, like cut off the excess. But now once you want it to fit in the same size, you don't want it to show with the outline, you want it to show like it's a real picture. So I play it again, and okay, that's perfect. Then you want to do that to the other pictures too, because definitely that's what we are trying here to achieve. So I'm going to speed up the process now so you can see how to do it faster. All right, let me do this one. This is the blue. You want to cut it. You want to take your time. Nobody's rushing you. The trend is still on, and it will be on for like a week. So you see the way I'm doing it. So let me speed up the process now so I don't waste your time. So you keep placing, and you see me keep placing, making sure that the edit is perfect. And now that I've done that, I want to make sure I cut it. I don't want it to be too long, so it will not take too long, because you know our audience attention span is very short. So I'm going to be cutting. You see me doing a lot of splitting and making sure that it's almost like 1 second or 2 seconds, so that you can play and go faster. So you want to split, take your time to split the videos and make it faster. And this is going to be your end result. So this is the final result for your reel or your TikTok.
There you go. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be filming, probably wearing the same outfit, teaching you how to edit it with Canva and with Inshot. And I'm going to see you guys in my next tutorial videos. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know if you love my videos and all. Thank you.